Cumin Shallot chili dip or Cumin Shallot chili tamarind dip casserole. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the shallot recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the chili recipes and one of the most unique of the cumin seed recipes and one of the most delicious of the shallot recipes, one of the most different of the dip recipes. Today we're going to make cumin shallot tamarind dip casserole. We've taken around 15 to 20 shallots, around 15 grams of tamarind, around 6 to 8 cloves of garlic, around 2 spoons of cumin seeds, 2 red chillies, 15 grams of ginger. Now pour in 10 ml of oil, put in the cumin seeds, put in the ginger, put in saute. Put in the garlic, saute garnish, put in the chili, red chili, salt, put in salt to taste, sauteing, mix. Now let this mixture cool. Now put in the shallot and the rest of the ingredients that we sorted earlier into the grinder. Close and grind well. Now pour in 5 ml of oil. Let it get heated. Put in a spoon of mustard seeds and wait for it to pop. The mustard seeds will start cracking. Put in the curry leaf. Put in the mixture that we ground. Soft curry. Put in the red chili. Now the cumin shallot chili dip is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final cumin shallot dip or cumin shallot chili dip. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the dip recipes and one of the most unique of the chili recipes and one of the most delicious of the shallot recipes and one of the most unique of the cumin seed recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.